I got a box. Not that box. I just want to throw that box. No, the box I have got from a very good friend of mine on Instagram. I figured, why the hell not? Let's do, I know, ooh, a YouTube spectacular, big mail unboxing. No one's done this before. Yeah. But the box I really have is right in front of me. I did open it. I already knew a couple items in there, but figured, why the hell not? Hell, give myself some content. Make a mailbox and opening, whatever, because people send me cool stuff all the time. Well, you know, just shouldn't say people, friends I made online and whatnot, and all that fun stuff. And I haven't really ordered anything. Just like I said, I've stopped collecting as much as I did because, you know, I moved. I have no house. You know, I mean, I have a bunch of stuff anyways. But I do appreciate stuff that people have sent me, like friends and whatnot, know that I collect this and that and the other. So I already opened it. I already know 3 items inside. I'm looking at them right now, so let's pull them out one by one. Or all at once, like an animal. I don't know. I just threw a box. I'm crazy. These are some VHSs of horror. Horror. With an H-O-R-R-O-R. First one up. Ooh. We got Friday the 13th, Part 6. Jason Lives. That's actually, these are really cool condition. So they found these at a thrift store for like 50 cents. I'm like, ooh, dude. I have a few horror VHSs, so like I said, I got the one down here. Oh, well, that's broken. I got the one down here of the Fright Night Part 2 already. Yeah, I've talked about it before. I think I might make a video on all the VHSs I have. I know some people still collect VHS here and there, but I might make a video of the ones I have and reasons why. And I know I don't have a VHS player, but I'm tempted to track one down just so I can watch these videos. And especially this one, because I have never seen this and I haven't found this on DVD format whatsoever, but another story for another time. Anyways, oh, you know what? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's blind ourselves with this light. I think it's actually very bright, even in the daylight. So if it's blinding you, don't look over here. So, back to this. Friday the 13th, I love Friday the 13th. You know, if you can't tell, I got, you know, Jason masks up there and shit. And got my awesome tattoos of Jason and Ghostface. So this is cool. This is part of the Tommy Tommy Jarvis trilogy. You know, the tale of Tommy from Part 4, 5, and the last one. And he actually, the actor in this one who plays Tommy, makes an appearance in the Ghost Jason fan films I hear on YouTube. So if you haven't seen those, look those up. Those are really cool. Oh, speaking of which, we have Friday the 13th Part 3, 3D. It doesn't say 3D though. It just says Part 3. Maybe they couldn't get the 3D format on VHS. Oh, check out the back. Oh, shiny. This is really cool. I like this cover a lot. I'm trying to find a shirt with this. Anybody knows if I can find a shirt with this design on it? Let me know. This is really cool. Obviously, horror fans know this is where Jason gets the hockey mask. Is it rewound? It's rewound. Wow. Is the other one around? Who watches a movie halfway through and stops? Come on, seriously? People. Oh, one of my favorites of the Nightmare on Elm Street series, Part 3, Dream Warriors. I'm not gonna sing the song, I don't want to get copyrighted. I might just for you, I don't know. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, hell yeah. If you guys can't tell, got good old Lawrence Fishburne right there. You know, his first appearance. I don't know if it's his first appearance. I don't think it's his first appearance. I think he played somewhere else. This is the, you know, one of the older movies I've seen him in. But is this rewound? No. People don't rewind anything. Whatever. Get a VHS player and I'll rewind it myself. Now this is really cool. So thanks, man. I appreciate this. Like I said, I need to make a new horror shelf or something or whatever with these VHSs. I'm gonna build another shelf eventually. I think I might have to move a shelf to my room or figure out something out here again. But yeah, these are really cool. I appreciate the VHSs. These are sweet. Yeah, these are actually really good condition too. Like someone took care of these really well. I kind of like the old blue. Like this definitely looks like an old movie. I mean, it is. But you know, I just like how movies look like this. I mean, most things now you get DVDs and they sometimes recreate the front cover and whatnot. But something about VHSs, man, just have that cool look to them. But you know, again, we'll go over the VHS nerd out in one video sooner or later. Just gotta find the rest of them. I like Star Wars and Evil Dead and whatnot. And let's see what else he sent me for a surprise. Extra. Oh, this is cool. It's a little This is a pamphlet, or sorry, there's people outside. Don't look in here. Just filming. Don't look in here. Okay. I think it's a pamphlet or something. Or I forget. There's like pamphlet, flyer, brochure. Like I forget like what the differences are. I think this is more like I'm just gonna say pamphlet, whatever. But this is for Museum of the Rockies in Montana State University. So that's really cool. Yeah, it's got like dinosaurs and everything and whatnot, and fossils and old history stuff. Like that's really sweet. Focus. That's so cool. Sorry, I got like an angle. If not, like you get like a glare from the light. But yeah, that's really cool. This is definitely something I would like to visit. I do actually have like a box of like zoo maps and whatnot and museum stuff. Like I'm just gonna keep putting these in the boxes because of like either stuff I visited or stuff I'm going to visit eventually. I got some from Tony too as well, like a while ago. Oh, another one. Montana. Why can't I say Montana? I want to go Montana, but it's not right. It's Montana. Anna. Montana Dinosaur Trail. Oh, that's really cool. Like a little. I like that. Is that at the museum? It probably is if it's on the brochure or whatever. If it's on the front, it's probably at the museum. But that's really cool. A little T-Rex statue. That's really awesome. Let's see what's in it. Oh. It opens. It opens up more. Let's see what's in the news today, people. Are you still here? Okay. That's really cool. Shows a whole bunch of dinosaurs and stuff and places where they've been found and everything, and the trail. And I wonder what the trail's about. I wonder. I have to read this in my own time. Oh, there's a prehistoric passport. Is your guide? Oh, is this the prehistoric passport? Is this what this is? I think this is the yeah. Okay. This is your guide when you go to the museum, and it shows you, well, basically all the dinosaurs and information on them. That's really cool. Get one more look at that. That is so cool. This is definitely on my list of places to go, for sure. Better not here. A few more items. Nothing. I mean, there's something, but I'm saying a few more items, so there's nothing really. A whole thing to go through, and I'll make like a 15-minute video out of this. Oh, it's cool. Hell yeah, it's I like the colors. It reminds me of the Barbasol can from Jurassic Park. Obviously, it's Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous poster. That's cool, dude. Where'd you find this? I gotta find a frame for it now and put it in the room. This is really cool. But yeah, it looks just. I love the colors, just like the Barbasol can. I bet you it's on purpose. It's gotta be on purpose. Keep looking at the viewfinder instead of myself. I'm gonna have that problem. That's really cool. I like that. I appreciate it. Thank you. I don't have any Camp Cretaceous posters. I think I only have I have like the Jurassic World one, a mock-up that looks like Jurassic Park. I used to have an old original Jurassic Park poster, like from '93, but it got lost a long time ago. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you. Where did you get this? That is really cool, dude. I appreciate that. Got some little stickers here. I think these are from like the Mattel toys of Camp Cretaceous. I know I got a few in a box somewhere. I'm never gonna use, but I save them for projects, or maybe one of my friends, he's got a kid. Maybe I'll hand him some stickers. Here you go, take this to your kid. Yeah, this is cool. Again, I'll put it with the rest of the sticker collection. And oh hey. This is a magnet. That's cool. Looks like it's the Focus Camp Cretaceous little poster thing, and so he made it to a magnet. Or did he make it to a magnet, or did you buy it this way? It looks like he made it. If you made this, let me know. This is cool. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge, literally. right there. I will throw in the fridge right now. See, told you to throw in the fridge. And last but not least, we have the box is empty. Looks like the oh my god, no, I can't talk today. Why did I even make a video? The display for the Zuru Dino Strike Hunt. I have like 2 of these. I had a couple from like the first run. I think this is like series 2 or something like that, or like a whole different thing. I had a couple from like the first ones that were like the little orange, you know, balls. You peel them out and there's like pieces put together. I'm trying not to collect anything that's not really Jurassic Park, but you know, I do appreciate good artwork. Like this T-Rex is just so killer. Like that is such a cool looking T-Rex. I've seen this art obviously at like stores and whatnot, but it looks like he's got the box, which is cool. So if you get the whole box, it means you get the whole collection, right, Ryan? If you have the whole collection, that's cool. I want to know what they look like. I've only ever seen a few in person. Like I have a couple myself, my buddy's got a couple, but it's really awesome. But what's really cool about these though is like the fact they come with like little cars, just like reminds me of like the little ones you've seen in my collection that I've remind me of like ones that came out like '97 with the Lost World and whatnot. That's really cool. Oh, thank you. Thanks, man. I appreciate this. Again, if I have any other friends out there who are willing to send me cool stuff, message me on Instagram, obviously. I'm not going to give out my information on here, and don't you dare come to my house. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You can come hang out when this pandemic's over. But yeah, no, thanks, man. I really appreciate that, especially the VHSs. These are really, really cool. Especially Friday the 13th, my favorite. Now I'm kind of tempted to collect all the Friday the 13th VHSs, but I don't want to at the same time because I don't want to lose room, because these take up a lot of space, unlike DVDs. But if I come across them, I might snag them. I might. But I appreciate that, man. I hope you enjoy this random little unboxing video of me, again, not speaking correctly because I stumble over my words and I don't know what words are half the time. But yes. So, hope you enjoy this. I will do some more whenever I get some cool stuff. Again, it'll be a little while, but if you have anything in your collection you know, if you want to go a good home, I'm your guy. I'm your guy. Okay. Alright, well, thank you again. Let's take a look at this poster one more time. That is awesome. That is awesome. Alright, thanks again, Ryan. I appreciate this, and I will chat with you eventually again. So, you all take care and be excellent to each other, okay? Alright, get out of my house. Get out of my house. I'm gonna go make some tacos. Want some? Too late. See ya. Get out. Leave.